2011 Subaru Outback interior light. If you want to upgrade to LED, let me show you the difference. This is regular, this is LED. So this is how you replace it. You go here, kind of move this to the side, and then you see, easily comes out. Once you do this, you just put your finger like this, you pull this light, you kind of play with it. You can push the words, you can push this to the side and it's gonna just drop, or you can pull it, but I'm gonna push it and then pull it. See, comes out. And then I take my LED light and I come in, as I was putting it in, because I pull or push the side hooks to the side, it became too wide. So what I had to do was pull them a little more inward, and then I was able to slide the light in nice and easy. So now both sides are LED. See, LED for both sides. So I'm gonna put back the cover. It snaps right in. Like this. Just push it, and then it snaps right in. So now both are LED.